Hi, my name is Dan Wilcox. I'm with Lions Light, and this is a very short video presentation showing you how our newspaper website solution, Roar, works. So this is the back end. This is the staff interface that the staff uses to post their stories, including upload photos and videos, create their photo galleries, process reader comments. All the orders come in, whether they're subscriptions or classified or store orders. You have your ads tab for putting rotating ads up. You have a store so you can sell physical items. You have your subscribers database. Our system, by the way, also syncs with systems like Interlink, or we even offer a free subscription database solution for clients and non-clients. Contact us if you'd like a copy. We have a bulk online subscription feature. There's a cool article on that at newspaperpros.com. This isn't a tab for sending out your emails, although there's another way to do it where you just sync your Constant Contact or MailChimp with your RSS feed. Your classified ads roll in, you approve them, and then you have a business directory. So there are tons of features, and in the control panel we have all sorts of stuff, like you'll have your various paywall settings, and the list goes on. We also give you an FAQ, which is more like a manual than an FAQ, and training videos. We give you a file manager. We even have a subscription auto renew feature where you can sell monthly subscriptions or yearly subscriptions that renew automatically. And there's articles written on that as well at newspaperpros.com. So let's go back, and we're going to start over. We're going to give a brief presentation on how to post stories and then a little bit more of an overview. But before we do that, I'm going to show you a few customer websites. This is one of our clients. You can see they have a slideshow at the top. They have a slideshow down at the bottom as well. This is sort of a solution that has more photos than your average small newspaper. And they have another publication here, same deal. Here's another client and another, etc. And you'll notice as you look around that our sites are fairly simple. We don't have a ton going on the home page. I mean, sometimes you see newspapers where the stories are all over the place, and ours are more contained. And that's because we believe that's how small newspapers should look, and or small and sometimes medium-sized newspapers. We have another theme that we're working on. It's not quite ready yet. By the time you watch this video, it might be. And this is our Monarch theme, and this is going to be for more medium-sized on up newspapers. It's laid out very similarly. It's very intuitive. You have your sections and then some pages like calendar and maybe legals would be over here. You have your basic pages like classifieds, directory photos. It's kind of laid out very similar to our other sites. So let's focus a little bit on the back end. I'll post a story really fast because what's unique about our system is you can post a story in about 30 seconds, maybe 45, and that includes photos and videos. You don't even have to save your photos for the web. And those slideshows that you saw at the top, like of the home page, and then down at the bottom of the home page, there's one as well. All you have to do is check a box and an image will appear there. So I'm going to open up the current edition, which in our demo is January 15, 2021. I realize that's a while ago, but it's a demo. And I'm going to just resume and post another story. So I'll put in a headline. The headline might be Yada Headline 1. And I have some images I'm going to upload. So I'm just going to make sure one of them goes in the top slideshow and one goes in the bottom. This is on page 8 of the PDF. We have a PDF feature here. You can see that it's already been uploaded. You upload it once to story number 1, and here you specify the page number it appears on. The metered paywall is on, so if I check this box, it's going to be free outside of the metered paywall, which we typically only do for like obituaries. So let's not check that. Maybe we select a section like business and maybe a subsection, or we create one, or if we depict a section that already had subsections, they would appear right here. Yada, yada, yada. Multiple paragraphs. Actually, Let me just end it not quite at the end there. One paragraph, two paragraphs, so you can kind of see the paragraphs. In the future version of Roar, you're going to have a WYSIWYG editor, which it's in development right now, where you can place photos between paragraphs, different widths and all that, and we're working on that. And let's just save and go to the photo editor. And let's browse for an image, just any old image. There's one. Let's browse for another image. So it's saving them for the web. It's automatically converting a CMYK image over to an RGB at the proper resolution. And there's a lot of other photo spots that we could upload to. It would even typically find the author photo, but I didn't enter a byline, an author name. So let's just return, and we can preview it if we like, but we don't need to. Typically you won't. The only thing typically folks use the preview for is if they have a word or a phrase that they want to hotlink and be forever clickable in the story. So you would add it as a keyword. So I'm just going to save it. Now let's enter a story very quickly. I'm going to go to youtube.com and I'm going to have a video pulled up so that I can demonstrate two things. One, we're going to go quicker, and two, we're going to put a video in place of a photo. So let's see. Let's go to this video right here, and we will pause it. Let's pretend this is a video that's on our you'll navigate your tab. It's on our company YouTube page. So enter next story, yada, headline 2, paste in the body text, choose a section, arts and entertainment. Maybe we'll choose a byline this time, Jack Smith. And this is a cool feature here, the offsite link. You can make your story link to some other website's story. We're getting towards the maximum number of photos in the slideshow, but whatever, let's just keep going. We'll go to our video. We will copy that URL right there, the share URL of our video. We'll paste it into embed video, and maybe we'll upload a couple of other photos as well. We'll just do one. I'll click save because I edited some fields. It's going to download the still image from YouTube. We'll return. No need to preview. Save exit. Now if we were to go to our home page and refresh it, keep in mind that this is, the demo is live, so typically you post your issue and then you go live with it, but here we're just putting stories into a system that's already got the current issue up. There's the video, and if you go to that story, there's the metered paywall kicking in. Looks like, yeah. And so you'll see that posting stories is very easy. Everything else is pretty simple as well. You can post photos to the photo gallery just by literally holding down your shift key, grabbing 10, 20, 30 photos, uploading them. It'll save them for web automatically, and then you slap a headline above them. And you've got reader comments that you can process with a single click. You've got orders that come in. People might change their user information, like they log into their My Account page. They might take trial subscriptions. They might create new accounts, like for their auto renew subscriptions, which they have to create an account before they subscribe to auto renew, a monthly or a yearly auto renewing subscription. And then these two tables here are just where classic subscriptions come in, not auto renew, and store orders and classified orders come in. We even report to you the orders that almost get made, so those are considered sales leads. Most systems don't do that, and that feature alone can usually come close to paying your bill with us. You got your rotating ads. Putting up an ad is very easy. You just upload an image and hotlink it somewhere, or provide the code that the ad agency provided you, and it rotates the ad just like a normal ad. You've got your store, you've got your subscribers. Your subscription database here will also sync with Interlink or with the free subscription database solution that we offer clients and non-clients. You have a bulk online subscription plan. There's an article on that at newspaperpros.com. You probably won't use our email tab for preparing your weekly email to your subscribers. You'll typically just use the RSS feed that's provided up here and sync this with you populate your Constant Contact account with that, and it will create your HTML emails for you if you just do that, or MailChimp, either one works. And your classifieds roll in here and you approve them. Your business directory is here, and the list goes on. You have a control panel, training videos, file manager, auto renew subscriptions, and it's just everything that you could imagine a larger newspaper would have. We provide to a small newspaper in a system that takes them a fraction of the time to run. And that's the concept. So please reach out if you have questions. We can be found at lionslight.com, or you can contact us at 907-223-7872. Thank you very much.